Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm showing you a brand new Gents Club, and it's on Soy Bangkok 8. Now, a lot of you guys will know this because this is where there are 8 or 7 or 8 in a row, and you know them all, I'm sure. You who've been before, like Pirates and all the way down. So the building at the very end, well before COVID, has been empty. And it was bought and renovated as a house by someone, and then they tried to rent it. And of course, because of the other bars and the noise and everything, they couldn't rent it. They tried to rent it, they could not rent it. So in the end, it was actually rented to a bar owner. And we're now going to meet the bar owner, and he has actually spent some time altering the inside. The upstairs, all that didn't need any work done, but there's a surprise at the back as well, which I didn't expect until I came and looked. It's really makes it unusual, but this is it, the factory, and this is the brand new bar on Soy Bangkok 8. We'll go and have a look. The owner is Arthur, and he's French. So we'll go and speak to Arthur and have a little look, and we'll look around the whole place and the garden. Hello. Hi. Okay.
Hi.
Good to see you again.
You good?
It's looking good, isn't it, eh?
Yeah.
Looking good.
Finish in 2 days, but okay, not so bad.
Yeah, so these are all the sofas you've got. Very good. Very good. Let me have a look around.
Timè.
Yeah, I like it. And you've got your swimming pool outside as well.
We're not yet renovated, but we wait finish rainy season. So
Yeah. Right. And you've got a garden.
Yeah. Yeah, so we will do some pool party with barbecue on
That's
weekend.
what I was going to ask you. You're going to do barbecue.
We will do it, yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Sure.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's nice place to do it.
Yeah, but it looks great. A nice tree for the shade.
Yeah.
It looks really good. You've cut all the lawn since last time I was here.
Sorry?
You've cut the grass.
Yeah.
Since last time I
Yeah, we
was
got
here.
it 2 days ago.
Yeah, it looks good. It looks really good.
Yeah, I think we can do something good there.
So you're going to have pool parties?
Sure, we need to.
Why not? Yeah. I mean, you know, there's only about 5 gentlemen's clubs that actually have pools.
Mm-hmm.
Not many.
Yeah, not a lot.
Very good. All right. So we haven't introduced you yet. I mean, I'm filming now, but I haven't introduced you yet.
Sure.
So I mean, I was just going to. You can sit down and just talk for a minute if you want. It's hot out there, isn't it?
Sorry?
Hot.
Yeah. We will sit.
Yeah, wherever.
Sofa
I don't
or-
mind. Yeah, it's fine here. Oh, we're at Soy Bangkok 8.
Yes.
Across the far side of Third Road. That's where there are 8 gentlemen's clubs in a row, including Amsterdam and Pirates Bar. Most of you guys won't know this, but traditionally the bars in this area were all French ownership originally, which most people don't know that. And following that tradition, the owner of this new bar is Arthur, who is from France.
Exactly.
And tell me, which city in France are you from?
I'm from Lyon.
Lyon,
Yeah.
I've been to Lyon 3 times.
Really?
Yeah, it's a lovely city, I really like it.
It's nice city, yeah.
Yeah, really nice, yeah. So, you have an interesting bar ownership history, because I believe you have some bars in Cambodia.
Yeah. Before we coming there, we was living in Cambodia for 7 years, and we had bar in Sihanoukville. We have 3-4 bar in Sihanoukville and 1 bar in Phnom Penh.
Yeah?
And now we sell it in Phnom Penh, and we was in Pattaya for 6 months.
Yeah.
and we decide to went here
Yeah.
and try to do something good
Right.
here.
I mean, a lot of guys will be interested to know the difference between the prices in Cambodia and the prices in Thailand. I mean, I know the prices in Cambodia are all in US dollars. Everything's in
Yeah,
US dollars.
in US, yeah.
So I'll just have to sort of run through it, if do a price change, for people to understand, But I mean, for example, how much are like normal local beers in Cambodia?
The draft beer will be between $1.50.
Oh, I'm gonna say
$1.50.
$1.50
and $2.50.
okay, $1.50.
So it's approximately 60 baht or 50 baht.
Yeah, very little. Yeah, quite cheap, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, the beer are cheaper, but other drinks, the spirit are nearly same, $5 or $6.
Really. And what about bar fines? How much would a bar fine be?
Before, in our bars, bar fine was $10.
$10.
Yeah, it's $10.
So that's about 400 baht.
Yeah,
something
between 3 and
350.
400 baht.
Yeah.
But most of bars in Cambodia change and up the bar fine at $15 or $20.
Now,
Yeah,
$15 is 500 baht.
Yeah.
By comparison, right? Okay. And what about
Less than $50 in Cambodia.
$50?
Yeah.
That's about 1,700 Thai
Yeah,
baht.
yeah, approximately.
About 1,700
Yeah.
Thai baht. Yeah. So I mean, it's comparable to here, isn't it? But it's not cheap in Cambodia.
Yeah, no.
I mean, a lot of guys make comments and say, "Oh, I'm moving to Cambodia because Thailand's getting expensive."
A lot of
but that's why I wanted to ask you.
Yeah, a
about
lot
that.
of people think Cambodia is more cheaper for all, but if you take a hotel room,
Yeah,
it will be same price, a little bit more expensive
Than Thailand.
Than Thailand, yeah.
yeah. And the main thing that people were wondering about was ST price or something. So, how long have you been working on this new bar here? How long have you been working on it?
Nearly 2 months.
Nearly 2
Yeah,
months.
nearly 2 months.
Yeah, and it's called the Factory.
Yeah.
And when do you think you'll have this open? When will it be open? How long?
Normally,
No, I mean how long before you open?
I was thinking 1 month.
About 1 month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But,
You'll be into high season, the very beginning of high season.
Yeah.
Which is a perfect time to open.
Sure.
That's mid-October, which is perfect.
But really, when we start to build something there, I was thinking 1 month, and after 1 month, 1 week, and now nearly 2 months. But it will be finished soon. In few days will be okay.
Okay. So you think it'll actually be open very soon now?
Yeah, sure. In
Yeah.
maximum 3-4 days will be okay.
Okay. Well, because what I want to do is, when you get your girls here,
Yeah.
I'd like to come back and do another video with
Okay.
the girls.
Sure.
Same as I have like a catwalk video,
Yeah.
like I have done with other ones,
Yeah.
which is, for the other channel as well. So how many girls do you think you'll have
I
working
see
here?
between 10 and 15.
With 10 and 15
Yeah.
girls. Okay. And will you have different days where girls wear different clothes, for example? Because some say like on Monday it's
Yeah,
like
it's
a
red.
red dress
Yeah,
day,
yeah,
or
yeah.
Tuesday it's bikini day, Wednesday it's whatever, and so on.
I think we will do it like that.
It looks nice if they have uniforms.
Yeah.
You know?
Maybe at the beginning, the first weeks we will do normal clothes.
Yeah.
But after, maybe we can do some schoolgirl or.
It looks good.
Yeah, sure.
I mean, if you don't mind buying the uniforms, because they're not that expensive,
Yeah.
it looks good. It makes the whole place look professional,
Yeah.
as opposed to where the girls wear their own clothes and what have you, which it just doesn't look right somehow. It
No,
just looks
sure.
very random. This looks much better. Makes it more what they call high soul, more high class.
But in Cambodia, we was doing there. We was on a red Thursday, Black Friday, and white Saturday.
Yeah, something. Yeah.
But I think we will do nearly same like that, maybe with more uniform,
Yeah,
like army or like nurse.
there's two other things which other bars do, which the guys like, the customers like, and that's a bikini day
Yeah.
and a lingerie day.
Mm-hmm.
That's the two ones that are particularly popular. I mean, sometimes if you're going to do a pool party or have a pool day, you'd have the bikini day at the same time as the pool day, and have the barbecue and all that. So it's focused more on a pool party on that day, you know, which would tie in with bikinis. So that's, you know, what some people do, and who have pools, because you've got the advantage of having a pool,
exactly.
you know. So what sort of charges will you have? How much will your lady drinks be?
It will be 170.
170
Yes.
for a lady drink.
Yeah.
Okay, that's quite normal. And your Leo and Chang and normal Thai beers, how much will they be?
Open and close, right?
No, how much will your beer, cost of your beer? How much will it be
the
to
beer,
buy
sorry.
beer?
It will be 95.
95,
Yeah.
about 95, okay. And your lady drinks 170,
Yeah.
okay. And then you have guest rooms.
Yeah, we have guest rooms.
So how much will the guest rooms be?
It will be 350.
How much?
It's 350.
350. Okay, that's a good price. Good price, yeah. Now, the other thing is, will you have an Instagram page, or are you going to set up an Instagram?
Sure, we have.
You have already?
Yeah, we have already. We have Facebook page, Line, and Instagram.
Okay, tell me what the names of the Facebook page are.
It's The Factory Pattaya.
The Factory Patty.
Yeah,
And the Instagram's the same?
it's the same.
Right, okay. Very good. So you don't know yet what day you'll have pool parties?
No, not. We don't.
You're
know.
not that far ahead
You know,
yet.
we not yet renovate at the back. You know, we wait the raining season finish, and after we will renovate and.
Are you going to put tables and chairs out there?
Sure.
Yeah, yeah. And umbrellas
Yeah,
for the sun and this and that. Yeah, that'll be really good.
I think so.
That'll be really good. Okay. Well, that's most of the questions I wanted to ask you. We could do with videoing the rooms, you know. So the way upstairs is here, yes? Okay. It's nice and clean here, isn't it? Lovely.
We will have three guest rooms.
3 guest rooms.
One there.
Okay. Great. Strong bed.
Yeah, it's one.
Oh, look at that.
And for the moment, the bathroom is not connected, but we will connect it.
You will connect the bathroom.
Yeah.
Very nice. And this is the bathroom.
Yeah.
And you've got a shower and everything. Okay. All right. Great.
And one more bathroom not yet connected, but we will connect it.
But you're going to, again, strong bed.
Yeah.
And you've got a nice view out there, haven't you? Lovely. And then you've got,
Yes, this bathroom will be connected this one.
again. Yeah. Very good. Lovely. Really good. Great. So you'll have tables and chairs here,
Yeah.
and umbrellas.
And sunbed for swimming pool, and their table and chair.
You have some beds for the pool.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, why not? Why not?
For there. Yeah.
Be almost like a little resort. A hotel.
Really, but
No, but it's great, isn't it? It's lovely. It's all been renovated nicely, hasn't it?
yeah, you know, he never rented. It's the first time.
No,
he
yeah, I
rented,
know.
So it's
I
looking,
believe so. Yeah, it was never rented.
it's looking new, very new.
Yeah, it was renovated, but they tried to rent it and couldn't
Mm-hmm.
because of the 7 bars next
Yeah,
to it.
it's not easy. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Great, very good. And this is going to be open in a few days, a matter of a week or more.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Your original plan was to open it for high season, but you've easily achieved that. Easily. Great. Very good. So we can finish the video there. I think we've got most of the information that we need, I think. So, okay, well, Arthur, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, and we shall get people to come here.
Thank you.
So your actual opening days will be in about a week's time, something like that.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly.
Right. Great. Really good. Okay, thanks guys. So here are all the drinks prices, and also there's food. They have burgers and this and that. You'll see there. The other thing I forgot to mention is the opening and closing hours. So it opens at 2 p.m. in the afternoon and closes at midnight. Okay, that's the times. And it's open 7 days a week, of course. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please have a look at Patreon for Soy 6 videos and things like that. And please subscribe, like, share, ring the bell. And thank you very much for watching, guys. See you on the next video.